Hello students, let's go to the next exercise. Page number 40. Question number 1. Raju bought 7 notebooks of 200 pages and 5 of 100 pages for 107 rupees. Joseph bought 5 notebooks of 200 pages and 7 of 100 pages for 97 rupees. What is the price of each kind of notebook? Here they are telling 2 types of notebook. So we can say one type that we can take it as X. That is, here we can take X is 200 pages. 200 pages of notebook. Then Y we can represent as 100 pages. 100 pages book. Now, according to this question, we can write the statement. We can write Raju bought 7 notebooks. 200 pages. 200 pages. That means 7 into X. Then what he buy is 500 pages. 100 pages means Y. 5 books, that is 5 into Y. So Raju bought 7 200 pages, then 500 pages notebook. Then he paid the amount 107. This much of amount he paid. So we can give, this is an equation 1. Now the next is, Joseph bought 5 notebooks of 200 pages of notebook 5. So how we can write? Yes, 5x plus then 7 of 100 pages. 7 of 100. 100 means 100 represent Y. So 7 of 100 pages. So he purchased this much. What is the total cost for this? 97 rupees. So we can write this equation as number 2. So we get 2 equations 1 and 2. Then we want to solve the value for X and Y. This type is new for your class. So for solving this, we have to make the coefficient. Do you know what is the coefficient? Coefficient means the value of X, the number. Coefficient of 7x means, coefficient of X means 7. Coefficient of Y means 5. That means the numerical value here, that we call it as coefficient. Then we make this coefficient same. Therefore that we can multiply 5. Here it is 5. This coefficient multiply with whole equation. Then this 7 you multiply the whole equation of second. So you will get a same coefficient of X here. So multiply 5 with equation 1. So we will get 5 into 7, 35x plus 5 into 5, 25y equal to 5 into 107. It will come 535. So we will get equation 3. Now we are multiplying 7 with this whole equation. So we can write 7 into equation 2. So 7 5s are 35 x plus 7 7s are 49 y. Then we can multiply 97 into 7. 7 7s are 49 4. 7 nines are 63. 63 plus 4, 67. So we will get 679. So we can write this equation as 4. Now see, the coefficient are same. So we can subtract, so we can cancel this whole term. So likewise also we can use this coefficient also making same. For that you have to multiply with 7 with this whole number, whole equation. You can multiply with the coefficient of this 5 with the whole equation. So this coefficient of y will come same. Then also you can cancel this and we can solve. Now the thing is, now we get same coefficient. So what to do? We can subtract. What is this equation? Equation 3 minus equation 4. So we can give minus here because we are subtracting. Though minus plus, what will happen? This will also minus. Here it will come minus. So the sign we are writing down. Now we can, this part will come 0. Then 49 minus 25. So we will get 4. 24 will come. Yes, 24. That is my, this is, the number is big. One is plus, one is minus. So what to do? We subtract the number, then put the sign of the bigger number. That is, we put minus and 24y. That is equal to, here 679 minus 535. One is positive, other is negative. So subtract first. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Then 6 minus 5, 1. And what is the symbol? Symbol is bigger number, that is minus. So both side is coming minus. That means we can cancel that minus. That is 24y is equal to 144. Now we want y. Y equal to 144 divided by 24. Now we can cancel. We can cancel with 2, 7. You can cancel with other number also, no problem. 7. Then here it is 2. Here it will come 12. Again you can cancel with 6 also, no problem. You can cancel with 6, no problem. We can do 6 2 times. Here 1 time, then 2 times. Again you can cut. So you will get 6 is the answer. That means the rate of the y, rate of 100 pages is 6 rupees. 6 rupees. Now we can put this value in equation 1. What is the equation 1? 7x plus 5y is equal to 107. This is the first equation. So here we can give the value y is 6. So we can write 7x plus 5 into what is y? Y is 6 equal to 107. That is 7x plus, this is 30. 30 we can change that we can do in the next step. Okay. So we will get 7x equal to 107 minus 30. So we will get 77. That means we get 7x equal to 77. X equal to 77 by 7. So you will get 11 rupees. So the value of 200 pages is, the rate is 11 rupees, and y, the value of 100 pages notebook is 6 rupees. Okay.